Water heaters are the unsung heroes of our homes. They labor without pay or pause, stuck in the closet or garage, and most of us don't give them a second thought. That is, until they break. Then we want to replace them fast and get back to our busy lives. We typically just slap in the same old technology, like gas, without considering that we might be missing out on a better alternative: ultra-efficient electric heat pump water heaters. Heat pump water heaters use electricity to move heat from the outside air into your water heater, like a refrigerator running in reverse. They're ideal for the Sacramento region, where our winters are mild, and because they're only moving heat from one place to another and not actually creating heat, they're super efficient. This efficiency can amount to savings on your energy bill. And here's the thing, if we don't start getting rid of our gas appliances, we'll never get ahead of climate change. Here in California, one of the biggest sources of greenhouse gas emissions is from burning gas for heat and hot water. When you switch from gas to electric, you avoid emitting about 11 tons of carbon dioxide over the estimated life of your new water heater.
You'd have to plant 11 large shade trees and wait more than 50 years to absorb the same amount of carbon.
Not only will you save money and fight climate change, you'll help create a healthier community. That's because gas appliances like water heaters emit carbon monoxide, ozone, and particulate matter, the types of harmful pollutants that can lead to respiratory illnesses. Studies show that getting rid of gas appliances could save thousands of lives and billions of dollars in California every year. So, when your water heater needs to be replaced, consider a more efficient technology. Heat pump water heaters are safer, healthier, fight climate change, and save you money. SMUD makes it easy by providing rebates when you switch from a gas to an electric heat pump water heater. Visit smud.org/goelectric to learn more.